What if using a website meant you had two options? Say yes to ads that use your data, or pay for a version without using any tracking methods such as cookies. That's what the consent or pay model is all about, and it's gaining traction. Some websites, especially digital news publications, now ask users to either allow personalized ads or pay a fee to keep their data private. Sounds simple, but is it legal? Europe's top privacy body, the EDPB, says it depends. The choice must be fair, clear, and not pushy. And in the UK, the ICO says this model can be valid, but only if people are not forced into saying yes to cookies just to get access. In short, users must feel they really have a genuine choice. So, if you're thinking of using this model, here's what to keep in mind. Be clear about what each option means. Don't hide the free option behind confusing steps. And don't make the paid version so expensive it pressures people into consenting to cookies. This approach is still evolving, and not everyone agrees on the rules. At CookieYes, we help you stay compliant with strict cookie laws. From easy-to-use banners to clear consent flows, we make it simple to manage cookies on your site. Get started for free